All right, I'm going to plug -1 in for x here. So my x is -1 right away. 2 times -1 is -2 minus 4, -6. So -1, -6 is a closed dot. When I plug a -1 in here, a -1 becomes 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So -1, 0. Open dot. My slope here is 2. Up to right 1 or down to left 1. Since it's less than -1, we're going to the left. My slope here is a -1, so up 1, left 1, down 1, right 1. Since we're going greater than -1, my line is going to the right. My domain is all real numbers. And my range is y is less than 0. My x is a -4. -3/4 times -4 is 3 minus 1 is 2. If you need a quick review of it, it's this. Negative times a negative is a positive number. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. That's how I'm getting it. Okay. Everyone here should be able to put a -4 in here, divide by 4, and then multiply by -3. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. That's how I'm getting 3. Okay. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Even though it's the -3 up top here, negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, those rules you learned in pre-algebra and algebra 1 don't disappear. Down here, 1/2 times -4 is going to give me a negative number. 1/2 times -4 is -2, minus 2 is a -4. So it's -4, 2. And it's -4, -4. My slope is -3/4. Up 3, left 4, down 3, right 4. But I'm only going left. I'm only going to the left of -4. Up 3, left 4. We go down 3, we go right 4. We're only going to the left though. So this point over here is irrelevant. -4, 4, this point right here, that's a solid dot. These are the greater than or equal to. The slope is 1/2. Up 1, right 2, or down 1, left 2. It's greater than -4. We're only going to the right. And there's my answer. And the graph is the answer. Okay. All reals. Y is greater than or equal to -4. And that's my answer.